Okay, so do you have any photos you love?
Yes. This one was like what we did last time.
I loved that.
And I've never been more obsessed with my hair.
I loved that.
Kind of something like more like honey, caramel tones.
Love that.
Definitely warmer.
Okay. And then usually we do one row of extensions, but should we be crazy and do that same amount of hair but separate it on 2 rows?
Because sometimes I do feel like it's so heavy just on one.
Especially if you try to do it wavy.
Because I feel like I like the look of one gives me, but it looks like I have 2, but it's so much hair sometimes that I'm like, okay.
Yes.
I feel like it's like...
I think so too. Also, I'm so excited because, I'll tell you, we have this cute new wavy hair.
That'll be so cute.
And then you can do your natural wave.
Yeah.
Like, I love this color, but I feel like maybe if we did this color on the bottom of like one that was like a little bit darker.
Yeah, that one's cute.
But I feel like that wave is going to be perfect.
Yeah, it will.
Or do we do one that is like on the other side we could show. Do you feel like you like it better with the brighter one popping through? Or do you feel like you like it better staying more caramely?
I think I like the brighter.
Do you? Okay, with this side?
Yeah.
Because then it has
just like because it adds a little more pop. I mean, like this is also so pretty, but
maybe just for summer a little bit brighter.
Yeah.
But maybe we'll make this blonde a little more caramely, so it's not so white.
Yeah.
Like I feel like that'll be so cute. Okay, let's do it. Okay, guys, I'm really excited about this transformation. Ellie used to be super blonde, and then she went really dark, and she loved it dark so much she kept coloring it darker and darker. Once she did that, then she's like, okay, wait, now it's getting springtime and I kind of want to add a little more dimension back. So with Ellie, she has really natural curly hair, so she wanted to get extensions, but she does it curly a lot. So she wanted to see if we had wavy extensions, so she could have the option of doing it wavy or just keeping it a little more blowout look. So I was really excited because we had the perfect color for her for wavy extensions, so that way she can have the option of doing both. She can wear it curly, or she can also blow it out straight and smooth. So we put her extensions in first and talked about what colors we were going to do. And once we put those in, then we're going to go ahead and color to match everything together. And this way we do it is because it helps everything, all the colors and extensions, be super seamless and super blended. And we can tone and color all the extensions together while we're toning her hair. So she wanted to definitely keep her base color dark. She wanted it to look really lived in, and she wanted it to look really natural and grow out good. So if she wanted, she didn't have to get highlights all the time. She could just kind of let it grow out and be natural. And I feel like toning it, doing it this way, really helps with that. It helps so you don't have to get it done all the time, so your hair stays healthier. And I feel like it's just a great way to keep that lived-in look. So that's why we always highlight at first, and then we go ahead and tone everything up the bowl. That's how we get these lived-in looks, and that's how we get everything to be really shiny and everything to look super seamless and natural. So once we go ahead and we tone everything together, then we wash it all twice. We always use All Mi Amo shampoo and conditioner and the serum and the leave-in spray. And here is her before and after. As you can see, it just adds a little more dimension, and I feel like it's just so, it looks so cute and blended. And hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments what else you guys want to see.